Now, this is the controller for the Mavic Pro. It looks very similar to the other controllers that we've just looked at, but the extra thing it has is a function button here, which has 5 different pre-programmable functions that you can put in here. So it's up, down, left, right and press. And then on the front we've seen you've got 2 wheels rather than 1. This can give you some extra camera settings over here. So this gives you so you can control the camera. And then on the back here there are 2 buttons here. There's a C1 and a C2 button here. A click and a click, and they're programmable buttons as well. There's 2 programmable buttons on the back. There's the controlling of the camera. This is moving it around the actual settings on the camera. This is moving the camera up and down. And then you've got the taking a photo button, record button for the video, and then on the front we've got a function button. Now on the side here I've actually put in the connector to connect a phone, and then that pushes straight in there and then runs down the arm, and you can see that slides around there. And if you look on the inside here you can see it's connecting to an iOS device there, so that's ready to go. We won't put the phone in now, but that gives you an idea of all the various bits and pieces on the controller. We'll power this on now first. Now also you'll see there's a readout on the front of this that gives us more information. So we're connecting, press the connection button, and then we'll power the drone on. It goes to its pre-flight setup. There's no red or green button on the front of this, but now we've got connection. It's in something called ATI mode, but we've now got connection. It's now ready to go. This is a readout, so you can fly this drone without a tablet. It's not as useful as having a tablet because you can't see through the camera, but at least you've got a readout of what is happening with the drone. Let's push the drone away from us a little bit, and then we'll just pull the 2 and arm the motors. There we go, I hope you can see that. And then I'm going to kill the motors now. There we go. And that's the Mavic Pro. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel, or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.